Stop by and take a look at the 2021 Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, remote trunk release, LED headlights, tires, front performance. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.